The game of power on the high seas is changing. While air superiority and ground forces have always been vital, naval forces are now carving out a new frontier in modern warfare. Today, we are diving into a massive maritime development that could redefine the military landscape of the Middle East. We are talking about Iran's brand new drone carrier, the Shahid Bagheri. Let's explore what makes this ship a game changer. Recently, Iran made a significant leap in its naval capabilities. In early 2025, a massive commercial vessel was completely transformed into a cutting-edge drone carrier and officially commissioned into the Iranian Naval Force. This isn't just a ship. It's a whole new chapter in Iran's maritime strategy. The Shahid Bagheri actually began its life as a commercial container ship named the Perrin. After 2 years of intensive engineering and labor, it has been reborn as a sophisticated combat platform. This transformation is a testament to the technical ingenuity and defense capabilities of the Iranian engineering teams. But who exactly was the man this ship is named after? The carrier is named in honor of Ghulam Ali Bagheri, a figure often described as the genius of war in Iranian military history. During the Iran-Iraq War in the 1980s, Bagheri was a brilliant young intelligence officer and a master strategist, known for his exceptional ability to plan complex operations. He lost his life on the front lines at the young age of 26. By naming this advanced drone carrier after him, the Iranian Naval Force is signaling that this ship represents the same strategic foresight and innovation that Bagheri was famous for. The most striking feature of this vessel is its 180-meter-long runway, designed specifically for the takeoff and landing of fixed-wing drones. It features a specialized ski jump ramp at the bow to give drones the necessary lift for a smooth launch, measuring approximately 240 meters in length and weighing over 40,000 tons. Imagine this is a massive, mobile airbase that never stops moving. Now, let's talk about its combat punch. The Shahid Bagheri is more than just a carrier. It's a versatile fortress at sea. Reports indicate that this carrier can house over 60 drones, including the well-known Shahed 136, Ababil, and Mohajer 6. These drones can be deployed for a wide range of missions, from deep sea surveillance and reconnaissance to precision strikes. This means the Iranian Naval Force can now project air power and maintain constant surveillance right from the heart of the ocean. But it's not just about drones. The Shahid Bagheri is armed with anti-ship cruise missiles like the Kausar 222 and advanced air defense systems. It also has the capacity to launch helicopters and high-speed interceptor boats, equipped with state-of-the-art electronic warfare suites. This ship is designed to protect itself while disrupting the communication of any potential adversary. However, the true significance of this ship lies in its strategic reach. Iranian officials claim this vessel has an incredible range of 22,000 nautical miles without needing to refuel. That is a staggering distance. It means the Shahid Bagheri can remain stationed in the Indian Ocean, the Mediterranean, or any remote maritime region for extended periods. It essentially provides Iran with a mobile sea base far beyond its own shores. With this mobile base, Iran can now conduct drone operations globally. It enhances their ability to monitor vital shipping lanes, participate in international naval drills, and respond rapidly to maritime crises. It's a move that significantly shifts the balance of power in the Indian Ocean and the Persian Gulf. So, the Shahid Bagheri drone carrier is not just a vessel. It's a symbol of the Iranian defense industries, innovation and its readiness for future maritime challenges. It positions Iran in a whole new light on the global naval stage. What do you think? Will this carrier change the power dynamics of the region? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video. Take care.